Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect WH SelfInvest to TradingView in 2026. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in your web browser, simply type tradingview.com. When you are here on TradingView, you need to simply log in here with the help of your email address. Now this is going to be your home page. So here on this page, you can either hover over to the products, then click on the option of super charts, or you can also use this search bar here on the top. Afterwards, you can either select any of the tabs here on the top, or you can launch any of the charts in front of you. For example, let's say I launch this chart of AUD USD. So when you see this type of chart in front of you, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Afterwards, click on the option of show all brokers. Now among the given brokers list, you just have to simply look for WH SelfInvest. So here you can look for its icon. If you are not able to find it here in the list, simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then it is going to ask whether you want to log in the WH SelfInvest normal account or in the future account. So you just have to select the one which you want to connect. After clicking on it once, it will ask whether you want to log in here with the help of your live account or a demo account. So whichever account you have with WH SelfInvest Futures, you just have to select that, then simply click on the option of connect. Now as soon as you click on the option of connect, it is going to redirect you in a new tab, basically on the login page of WH SelfInvest. So here simply provide your username and password associated with your account, then click on the option of sign in. So this way you will be able to connect WH SelfInvest to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.